How to adjust slippage in Phantom Wallet. First, you want to open up Phantom Wallet. If you don't have it, you'll need to download it from the App Store. Then sign into your wallet and then go to the swap feature. Once you're in your wallet, tap swap. This is where you exchange tokens. Then in the swap screen, select the tokens you want to swap. Under From, select the token you're swapping. Under To, select the token you're receiving. Then tap the settings icon. In the swap set screen, look for a gear icon or settings button. Tap on it to open up the swap settings. Once the settings menu is open, you'll see an option for slippage tolerance. This controls how much price fluctuation in the Phantom Wallet will tolerate before canceling or failing the swap. The default setting, Phantom Wallet typically has a slippage tolerance set to around 0.5% to 1% by default. To adjust slippage, use the slider or input field to increase or decrease the tolerance. You can typically go to as low as 0.1 or as high as 10%. Increasing slippage can help complete a swap when there is high volatility, but be aware that setting too high can result in undesirable prices. Then save your settings and complete the swap. Then you'll have to review and confirm the slippage tolerance applied, the amount you're swapping and receiving, the estimated fees and expected price impact, and then wait for the swap to complete. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.